Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this beautiful beaded pattern for all kinds of macrame projects. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 3 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, take your very first bead and attach it right to the 2 cords in the middle. Now we're going to take our 2 cords here on the far right and we're going to send it right between the 2 cords in the middle and then over the cords on the left and just drape that over your dowel rod out of the way. Now take the cords on the left side and we're going to cross them through the 2 in the middle and drape it over the dowel rod on our right side. Take your next bead and slide it onto the 2 cords in the middle. Now we're going to repeat weaving our 2 sections back through the section in the middle. So I'm going to start with the side here on the left and send it underneath the bead going through those 2 in the middle. Now the side here on the right is going to come down and it's going to go over that section, then back through the 2 in the middle, and we're just going to drape both sides over our dowel rod once again. For the best result, try to keep your ropes parallel next to each other and keep them fairly tight against the bead. Now we take our next bead and once again slide it onto the 2 cords in the middle. And all we're doing is repeating. Just like that. Now to secure our little pattern together, I'm going to tie a square knot. So I'm going to take both sides here on the right over the 2 in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm taking the side on the left to go over those right cords, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop where I can then pull it tight. Then the side on the left is going to cross over the 2 cords in the middle to form the loop, where my right side can then go over, behind, and through. And I can pull that nice and tight. Okay, and now my pattern is nice and secure. Now you can always change out what knot you end this with. You can simply tie a gathering knot as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.